All right. Hey, folks, it's your boy Maurice again from Superhuman Soul. I'm going to talk to you about using exercise equipment or different equipment that you may have around your house for usages of exercise. So, I did a video covering the kettlebell. So, now I'm going to talk about using a chair. Okay. So, I'm going to tilt my camera a little bit towards my right side. So, as you see, there's a folding chair over here. All right. Now, if you go back to the surfaces video that I talked about a while back, this is hardwood flooring with a little bit of a finish on it. So you can see the shine of my legs at the bottom of the screen from these white pants. If I keep this out here too far, it could slide and that could, result in, spillage. Therefore, this video will become extremely more of a blooper reel versus something that's more informative. So what you have here is a classic folding chair. Okay. Nothing really special about it besides it's padded, and it still has a tag on the back of it, and it has nice rubber footing right here. This is going to be a blooper reel anyway. Footing, all right. And I like to leave this against the wall when I'm teaching classes so that way it doesn't slide. Okay. Now, with this chair, you can do so many different things. If you have trouble doing push-ups, you can do push-ups off of the chair. Case in point. Okay. Hands are here, feet are back, chest up high, and these are close. These are close inside. So I'm bending my elbows here and up. Okay. You do want to be careful of how far down you go. All right, because if you go too far, you'll bang your head into the top of the chair. All right, we don't want to do that. Okay, so you got push-ups there. Another push move motion you can do from here: simply turn over, tricep dips, bent knees, elbows once again 90 degrees. And this one you have more range of motion versus the push-up. All right, because you're going straight down right there. So that's your bent knees. Legs can go straight. Same deal. Okay, just like so. If you also want to add a little bit more leverage to it, you can feature some yoga blocks or even another chair, right? And you can put your feet up on the yoga blocks, get real creative with the stuff you have at home, and then drop it down and back up. I'm going to rearrange this just a little bit, okay? And down here and up, right there. That's it. See? Very simple. Triceps for the push-ups, triceps for themselves right there. Both of those movements are elbow extensions, okay? And they get the triceps. The push-ups, though, they do get the chest and the core as well, all right? Another thing you could do with this here is some leg movements. Wow, go figure. Did you just see what I did? Okay, I'm going to show you again. I don't know if you're not fast enough, you might not catch it, but there's something that just happens, when you use a chair. Okay, I don't know if you get that. Oh, you see what I did? Sit down, stand up, right there. Guess what this is? This is actually a squat, right? So right there. What happens? Legs are parallel, knees are bending, weight into the heels, sitting down, my glutes are right here. The only difference is that there's a chair at the bottom and then I'm getting back up. Okay. You can make this into a power movement by going sit down, stand up, and jump. Okay. You can do that too. How cool is that? A chair is a very diverse piece of equipment. Could do so many different things with it. Okay. Now, more leg movements. All right. Which is what I primarily use the chair for. Simple step ups. So it's elevated here, knee right here, 90 degrees, up and down. Okay, up, back down. I'm gonna do the other side just to even it out. Up, back down, and again, up, back down. Okay, so that's what you do with your chair, stepping up, stepping down. Okay, you can also do. Okay, I've seen this done many times. So now I'm going to bring it away from the wall. You can go side leg raises, but you can also slide your yoga bag blocks out of the way. All right, so up here and down, here and down. Now, see, the cool thing about this, you get to keep yourself balanced and raise your legs up right there. Okay, now from there, you can play around with that leg raise. Come up here, bend the knee, kick it out, bend the knee, kick it out right there. Do the other side, make sure we're even, up here, and down. Now in this movement, you want your toes to go into your shin, okay? Now we're gonna play around with it, holding it up here. Bend the knee, extend it out, bend the knee, extend it out, right there. See, you have that one there. Now, there's also the Bulgarian split squat. So, put one foot up here. Luckily, the surface is soft. One leg right there. And you can have dumbbells, go down here and back up. Okay. I'm going to switch sides so you can see the other side. Okay. Down here and back up. So what happens in that movement, my knee kind of tracks forward, but then it comes back as I get lower so I can stabilize myself. All right. So that's a few movements you can do with a chair. All right. A folding chair, that is, or even a regular chair that's there and it doesn't have handle. It doesn't have any handles, no wheels, and it's flat enough for you to step on. Okay. Some people use a step stool. That works as well too, just as long as you have enough space on the step itself so that you can move around and do balance and all the other wonderful things that we may have going on in class. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Superhuman Soul, and look for all of our other tutorials and our other informational videos regarding fitness, mind, body, spiritual things. All right. We have a lot of things coming up soon. So be sure not to miss that. All right. And with that being said, enjoy your day. All right. Hopefully you got something great out of this because I know it was magical for me. All right, guys. Peace out.